These are around 1-month-old cassava plants. These cassava plants are around 3 months old. It usually takes 7 to 10 months to harvest cassava. These cassavas are ready to harvest. Cassava is the third largest source of carbohydrates in food in the tropics. Tapioca is a starch extracted from the tubers of the cassava plant. Cassava is referred to as tapioca in Indian English usage. Cassava flowers and seeds. Cassava harvesting. Cassava stakes are used for planting next time. The edible part of the cassava plant is its large, starchy tuberous root. Cassava can be boiled, fried, steamed, or roasted. It's also used to make tapioca pearls, flour, and various traditional dishes. Cassava is known for its high yield and ability to thrive in poor soil conditions, making it a reliable crop in area prone to drought or low soil fertility.